This video is to clear your doubts concerning withdrawal on MemeFi. I've seen a lot of complaints, a lot of confusion about this withdrawal. So these are the things that will happen. Claiming of your MemeFi to your Web3 wallet, especially for those of you in countries where OKS exchange is not available, what you need to do. So by 1 p.m. Nigeria time, the option to claim your MemeFi will be activated. That's one. Then listing will take place 2 p.m. today. That's about 4 hours to the time of recording this video. Now, there are two things that are involved. Number one is for you to claim to your OKS Web3 wallet. That's the first thing. So let me show you now. So look at this place. This is a claim to OKS Web3 wallet. So in less than 3 hours now, this option will be activated. So you'll be able to claim here into your Web3 wallet. Hope you get that. So now here they talk about the claiming fee that have been covered, which they've deducted from your earning. So for you to claim from MemeFi app to Web3 wallet, the claiming fee have been covered. Hope that one is settled. Now, the second thing you need to understand, when the MemeFi gets your Web3 wallet, you need to transfer it to your exchange, either Bybit, Byget, Date or Time, KuCoin, whatever exchange that you are using. And for you to get this thing done, you have to go to your Web3 wallet. So OKS Web3 wallet. So this is my OKS wallet. If for those of you still battling with exchange, and if you look at here now, you see exchange, you see wallet. So you click on the wallet side. So it works in all countries. So now when your MeFi gets to your Web3 wallet, it will be around here, and you see the amount you've earned, the amount of token around here. So for you to send to your exchange, you need to come around here. Just click on send, and you select the coin, which is MeFi. Then you copy your address and your tag or memo from the exchange you are using. Then you come here, you paste it, and you send it so that you can be prepared for trading. So as soon as the on-chain wallet is activated, I'm going to make a few videos now to get it done. This is just to clear your doubts and to prepare your mind for what is about to happen. Then concerning gas fee, here you may need and you may not need. So just prepare for the worst. Anything can happen. If you need, you get, and if you don't need, you can prepare ahead. You get the point. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that when we drop updates concerning this gas withdrawal, so you can get updated on